So guys, Yoshi the Penguin here, and today I'm playing a different game instead of like Skywars or something. I'm playing Bawk Bawk battles, and basically it's like Mario Party or something, but without, but it's not really like Mario Party, but basically you have to do these certain things. What is this one? Wave Crush. Waves of blocks are getting hit by you. Avoid getting hit by them. So basically, yeah, basically, what like Bawk Bawk, the Lord of all chickens, tells you have to follow this like command stuff, and if you don't follow it, he will kill you. And if you don't follow what he does, if you don't follow what he says, you die and you end up with ginormous Bawk, the big Bawk Bawk in the sky, and his followers eat you alive. What is this? You're equipped with explosive arrows. Force others into the void. Alright, so basically, we're supposed to kill everyone. Die! 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 Oh god. Oh, hop. Yeah. No! I will stay alive! I'm staying alive. Staying alive. No! Staying alive. Staying alive. Voice crack. I completed the challenge. Yay! So I'm not dead. Yay! Oh, someone. Bawk Bawk commands. Milk a cow. I am great at that. So you gotta milk the man. You gotta deliver a milk to the toaster. That's right. All right. Deliver the milk, Farmer Joe. You need the milk, Steve. Oh, but I forgot to mention, no cow can be milked twice. All right, Joe, I need you. Take my milk, okay? No, Steve has already been milked. No, Andrew, take the milk. Oh no, Tom, I need your milk. Thank you, Tom. Tom, that was really nice of you, okay? Thank you. Yes! What's this one? Bawk Bawk commands. Smash out. Smack other players off their platform. Please, no, kill me. No! I died. I have 4 lives left. Oh, I forgot to mention you have 5 lives, and if you don't, there's no home. Bawk Bawk commands. What is it? Build race. Your inventory is filled with blocks. Place every single one of them on the ground. That's easy. We build a nice house, guys. Let's build a nice house. Hey, stop it. Oh my god, we have more. Yes! We got it. Oh, and it looks like somebody just died, and they're gonna get eaten by the chickens. Pick a side. Choose one of the 2 sides. The side with the fewest players wins. Oh god. I'm just gonna stay in the middle. Go. No! I failed! How did I fail? Gosh darn it. Bawk Bawk commands or run. Find and mine a diamond around the map. Okay. Diamond! That was easy. World record! And another guy just died. Hi, I hope you like getting eaten by chickens, because that's what's gonna happen to you. Bawk Bawk commands diamond hunt. Find a diamond in the chests. Go! No! What? Are you kidding me? Dang it. Alright, Bawk Bawk commands. Water horror. TNT is spawning from the water. Use your boat to dodge the explosions. Oh yeah, I know this one. No! Not the water! Man, this really is right. It is called water horror because this water. Bing, 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 bing. Bing, 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 bong, bing, bing. No! Ah! I think they changed it to, they probably changed the name to water horror because of how annoying the water is. No! Oh my god, we got blown up but we still survived. TNT! Ah! Oh! Oh god, oh god, oh no. This game is insane! What is happening? No! Just spin in circles! Spin it in circles! Ah! Come on! Oh, it's almost over! 3 more seconds! Don't get blown up! Yes! This one guy, Ginger Boy 21, is doing really good. Chicken shooting. Oh god. Shoot the chicken! It's shot! Everyone shoot my chickens! 1, 2, the ping machine. 3, 4, 5, 6! Oh, and he's dead too. Bawk Bawk commands. Anvil dance. It's raining anvils. Hallelujah, but dodge him to stay alive. Ah! Oh god. Oh! That was easy. Oh, the guy Ginger Boy just lost a life. Lava run. Lava is coming. Stand on the obsidian. Run, run, run. That's what it's called. Or I guess let's do what it says. The obsidian. Oh, obsidian. Whee. Obsidian. Where is it? No! Dang it. Oh, that guy was lucky. I got 1 life left though. I just gotta stay alive. Looks like Ginger Boy lost another life. Bawk Bawk commands, punch the pig. Punch 5 pigs. Pig abuse. Done. Well, I did it first. Everybody has 1 life. Bawk Bawk commands. Musical minecarts. Get ready when the fire change color. Once the green get inside a minecart. Oh my god, I've played musical chairs, and I am the best. Even though at my cousin's birthday party I cheated so many times. Minecart. 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 No! No, the chickens! Ah! Wait, I got 3rd place, but no, they're gonna eat me, no! No, don't eat me, I'm gonna run away! No, oh, I died. Let's spectate this last one. Others can see you as a chicken. Hi, guys. Oh, and this guy won! An angry pig won the game. Oh. Good job. I thought Ginger Boy was actually gonna win. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. That sums up the video. Alright. Bye, guys!